Today we're going to make hot, cold, spicy noodles. They are indeed hot and spicy, yet they're also chilled. We're not going to use the flavor packet. Put those into some boiling water for about 2 minutes. We're going to have 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 cup of tahini, a tablespoon of hot sesame oil, toasted sesame seeds, and finally fresh green onions or scallions. These have softened up a little bit. You don't want them to be done too much. Drain those, just like that. Cool them off very quickly. This is a cold water bath. I'll just make sure these are cooling off nicely. Kind of give them one more rinse. Then we'll put them back into our pan. Put in our sugar. Do that first. It won't take very long for it to dissolve. Put in our 1/4 cup of tahini. There we go. The next ingredient, the hot sesame oil. To kind of experiment with the flavor on this one. Probably a teaspoon is going to be plenty. It's going to be quite spicy. Just a touch of toasted sesame seeds. Mix those in. You can just put the scallions in, or what you can do is you can take the scallions and you can give them a little squeeze before the noodles. That will kind of distribute the flavor. Cold, spicy sesame noodles. They are spicy and they are cold. We'll see you next time.